Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Indian-style mushroom soup. We'll begin by selecting fresh, earthy mushrooms, like cremini or button varieties, about 500 grams. Next, prepare your aromatic base with 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of ginger, all finely chopped. Ensure you have your essential Indian spices measured out, such as 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, ready to infuse deep flavors into our delicious soup. Now let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee in a large pot over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onions and sauté them gently until they turn translucent and slightly golden, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, introduce the minced ginger, garlic, and 1 or 2 chopped green chilies, cooking for just 1 minute until their aroma fills your kitchen. Finally, stir in your ground spices, like 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, toasting them for about 30 seconds. Next, add your sliced mushrooms to the pot, cooking them until they release their moisture and begin to brown, which takes about 5 to 8 minutes. Now, pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth, bringing the soup to a gentle boil. Reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing all those wonderful Indian flavors to truly meld together. For a luxurious, creamy texture, stir in about 1/2 cup of coconut milk or heavy cream during the last 5 minutes of simmering. We're almost there. Now is the perfect time to taste your delicious Indian mushroom soup and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. For a vibrant finish, generously garnish each serving with 2 tablespoons of fresh, chopped cilantro leaves. This soup is best enjoyed hot, perhaps alongside some warm naan bread or fluffy basmati rice. You can also add a small squeeze of fresh lime juice for an extra bright, zesty kick. Enjoy your homemade culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.